Hey you guys, today we're going to do some crochet tips. If you guys are experiencing having your crochet slipping, or if you want to do larger pieces of hair so you can get done a little quicker, or if you have hair that is like this where sometimes when it's separated it makes it super fuzzy and you would just rather keep it as a single piece. I'm going to give you a way so that way they don't slip out and they stay like this. So the first thing that you guys want to do is to go ahead and insert your crochet hook. Make sure it's open. When you insert it, put your piece of hair in, close it, and then slide it through. Now, instead of grabbing the whole thing on the other side, not both strands, just grab one. And then you're going to twist, grab the other strand, twist, grab the strand, and then slide it in. One more time. We are going to put our fingers in between the loop, grab one of our strands, pull it through the loop, twist it, twist the loop, grab your strand again, twist your loop, grab your strand again, and then pull your knot close. Now, instead of letting that knot just sit there, we're going to tap it with some heat. Then you're going to pull the strand and it's going to tighten. And as it cools, that area is not going to move. As you see, I've done all of these, and each one after you tap it, as you start pulling it, the knot secures itself, and then you have a full crochet, even with thicker pieces, without having to separate them. And it comes out really nice.